First, we need to log into Business Facebook to create a business portfolio. We should already have either a Facebook or Instagram account to log into. We will demonstrate logging into a Facebook account. Once logged in, you would be able to see the existing business portfolios if you have previously created any. For this demo, we would showcase creating a clean new business portfolio by clicking on Create a Business Portfolio. All the input fields, the portfolio name, the contact's first and last names, and email address are mandatory. Note that the email address must be in a valid email address format. Click Next or Skip to keep the defaults for these remaining options. You would now be able to see your newly created business portfolio in the drop-down list. Next, we need to go to Developer Facebook to create a WhatsApp app within the business portfolio. In Developer Facebook, click on My Apps. Select the new business portfolio. Since this is a new business portfolio, there would be no existing apps. You can click on Create App from either of the two buttons. From the use cases, select Other since it lists WhatsApp as one of the products. For the app type, select Business since it describes itself as being able to manage WhatsApp-related assets. Input the app name and click on Create App. Now you are brought to the app view. Scroll down to the WhatsApp integration module and click Setup. Keep the new business portfolio selected. Note that you would be provided with a test WhatsApp number to send WhatsApp messages from, and you can add up to 5 actual WhatsApp numbers to send WhatsApp messages to. It is good to read the terms and the links listed before clicking on Continue. Now you can do some basic setup by either clicking on API Setup on the lower left or the Start using the API button on the right middle. There is a yellow warning. But since it is not red, leave it for now. You are provided with a temporary access token that will last less than 24 hours. Use that to test first. That is the test number. You can also add your own number, but it will have to be deactivated from any existing WhatsApp account before it can be used here. Now add your own number where you would like to receive the test messages to. Choose the country code followed by the actual number. Click Next and you would receive a WhatsApp verification code on the phone. This is to ensure that you are agreeing to receive messages from this app. Key in the verification code and click Next. Your WhatsApp number has been added to receive messages. You need to use this phone ID in the API call. Click on the Send Message button to test the curl command. This is how the message would look when you receive it on your phone. The WhatsApp API uses message templates, and this message was sent using one of the default Hello World message template. We will discuss creating custom message templates later on. Earlier, we were using a temporary access token which needs renewal every day. To use it in an actual app, it is better to create a permanent access token. To do that, we need to create a system user. This has to be done back at the Business Facebook login as the system user has to be created under a business portfolio. From the Business Facebook page, at the selected business portfolio, we click on the Business Settings button. Under Business Settings on the left, we click on System Users. Next, click on the Add button on the right. Remember to read and accept the non-discrimination policy, and then click Done. Input a system username. Under Role, to create a permanent access token for programmatic use, the system user has to be given the admin role, otherwise it will not work. You need to review the non-discrimination policy again and click I accept. Now click Done. Next, you need to assign the WhatsApp app as an asset that the system user can control. Click on Assign Assets. In this pop-up, click on Apps in the left column. Select the app in the middle column and minimally select the test app permissions on the right column and click Save Settings followed by Done. Now click on Generate New Token. Select the app from the drop-down. For expiry, choose either 60 days or never. Then scroll down to select the last two permissions, WhatsApp Business Management and WhatsApp Business Messaging. Finally, click Generate Token. Copy this token to be used externally via different languages or scripts like Node.js, Python, Java, and many more. With this access token and after creating a custom messaging template, we can port this automated WhatsApp messaging app to run in a script anywhere on the cloud.